Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back again, another video for the DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. And of course, we are done with the installation of the app, we are done with the specs, we are done with the checking of menus and features. So this time we are going to check on another feature that I'm pretty sure you are interested, the watch faces for our DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch, and of course with the Wear Pro app. Okay, so here it is our smartwatch. Okay, so we're going to check on the watch faces available for this wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, we are now ready. So we have here our DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch, and as you can see here, it supports bedside lamp mode, both portrait and landscape. Okay, it's a very useful feature. Okay, especially nighttime, you can use your smartwatch as an alarm or a clock. Okay, during nighttime you can still check the time. Okay, just attach the smartwatch to your charging cable, wireless charging cable, and it automatically switch to the bedside lamp mode. Okay, so it's a cool feature for the wearable. And of course, the smartwatch, it also supports always on display. Okay, just wait for a few seconds and of course it will activate the always on display feature, so it saves battery life and still shows you the time. Of course, it also comes with several preloaded watch faces. So we have a lot of watch faces available for this wearable. Okay, aside from the built-in watch faces. Okay, so if you want to download additional watch faces, just go to your Wear Pro app. Okay, tap on the device and you can download additional watch faces. I'm just not sure whether it also supports custom watch faces. So this time, okay, in this video we are going to check whether we do have more analog and digital watch faces as well as custom watch faces. Okay, again, here is the UI or the application, the Wear Pro app. Okay, on the UI, just tap on device, go to the watch face section. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, so we have here a custom watch face, and we have a lot of free watch faces for your device. Okay, as you can see here, so we have a mix of watch faces here, digital and analog. So let's pick our digital watch face here. Okay, I like this one, a very unique watch face. Okay, but anyway, okay, we'll go back to that. Okay, as we scroll on the list of digital watch faces here, and analog also, we also have a comprehensive list of analog watch faces. Okay, so that's it, nothing else. Okay, okay, let's scroll more. Okay, so it's still loading. So we have a lot of offered watch faces here. Okay, so I guess this is the last, okay, list. So let's go back to our chosen one, this one. Okay, so let's try and download it for our DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. Just tap on it. Upgrade prompt, should it be replaced with this dial? Okay, so let's see. upgrade prompt updating. Okay, let's wait. I hope we'll not experience any issue. Okay, failed download firmware. Okay, let's go back. Let's see if we are still connected. Okay, we are connected. So this is disappointing if we encountered an error. Let's see, maybe we just have a slow internet connection. Let's check. Okay, so it's now downloading. Just a minor hiccup, I think. Okay, maybe it's more on with our internet connectivity. Okay, I do have a uh, lousy internet provider. So dial push successful. Let's see. Okay, our smartwatch is now restarting, and finally we have here the watch face. Okay, so far we have successfully downloaded the watch face. Let's try this one. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, and let's see. After pushing the dial, watch will restart after a short time. Please be patient during upgrade. Okay, let's see. Okay, seems like we don't have any issues with it downloading. Just making sure that you have a stable internet connectivity. Okay, then after downloading, we're going to check on the custom watch face. Okay, so this one is great. I like the color here, very bright. Okay, so let's try the custom watch face. Tap on it. Okay, so let's select. You have the option for selecting images, whether camera or album. Let's go with the album. Let's wait. Okay, let's pick this one and check. Please wait. And we have here the watch face. Okay, start upgrade. It is now updating. And it's now pushing the dial to our smartwatch. Okay, let's wait. Okay, hopefully it will be a smooth downloading, and seems like it is. Dial push successfully. Let's see. Okay, it started, and we have our custom watch face. The only negative or drawback with the custom watch face is that you don't have an option to change the location of the time here, as well as to change the font and color, as you can see. Okay, but with the additional watch face here for download, we have a long list, okay, a comprehensive list of watch faces for our DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. It's a combination of analog and digital. Okay, I hope next time in the application upgrade, they should put at least a category for analog and digital watch faces. Okay, let's see if we do have an upgrade. Okay, already the latest firmware. Okay, so that's it for the watch face section of our DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. So we have successfully downloaded a watch face, a custom watch face for our smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video review, okay, especially in the watch face section, and of course the smartwatch, please drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, bye.